Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we are going to be doing some mixed media journal type, I don't know, crafting. So I purchased one of these Rolodex. Do you remember these Rolodex? You guys, they're still expensive. They're like between $30 and $50. Anyways, I saw one of my friends, and I've looked at the Goodwill, I'll tell you. I've gone multiple times, couldn't find it, so I purchased one. But I wanted it because I saw my friend, one of you beauties, Samantha, who decorates these cards, and I thought it was gorgeous, and I wanted to do the same thing. It's a cute little journaling craft that you could do at the moment, whenever you feel like it. And I just thought, it's so tiny. It's kind of like just paper crafting and so much fun. So let's go ahead and get started. I decided that we need a different background, right? Because it was a little bit too white against white. So at least here you could see a little bit of difference there. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to decorate this. If you guys haven't seen, I did a Sheen haul earlier, so we're going to use some of that. And let's go ahead and get started. If you know me, I am a fan of maps. I am a fan of concerts, all kinds of stuff. So I thought this would be super cute. And let's go ahead and get started. Now, I do want to leave the bottom without anything on there. Why? Because it still needs to have a place to stick in there. So I'm just going to get out my little trimmer here. I'm going to trim this. I'm actually going to cut it right in half. Maybe even less than half. And then I will stick that back in my box. And then we'll take this guy here. And I'm going to take some of this, and we're just going to go like this a little bit. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my crumb cake. And you guys, the most fun about this is that you just do what you want to do. So I'm using all my different medias here, which is going to make this a mixed media project. I'm going to take some of my ink here and just kind of go around here just like that. And now it gives it kind of like a burnt edged look, and we're still not done. I'm still going to cut this off a little bit, but we will also give some of this some edging as well since I have it out. Most of it will be covered up, but that's okay. And this just gives it a little bit of dimension, right? And we'll cover up this bottom as well. Like, even though we can't really, which I could use a hole punch and cut it out like I do my Happy Planner back in the day. It can be done. But I think I'm just going to leave the bottom because, again, this is just starting out. So I don't know, I just feel like I want to be crafting and having a good time. I cannot wait for the new Stampin' Up! Catalog to come out. Alright, so see the difference between just a regular basic white here and then that, right? A little bit of difference there. Some nice coloring. So we'll put the ink pad away for the time being. You could stamp on these as well, and I'll definitely be doing some of that in the future. But right now I just wanted to do some of this here. And I'm going to line this up as best as possible there. And I'm going to take some of my Stampin' Seal and get that going. I think, there we go. Line that up rather nicely. And you see, I had colored that, but then now I didn't even need it. And I picked out a few pieces that I thought would be neat. Like this is definitely a map piece. So I have this piece of ephemera there that I'm going to use. I also picked up a ticket. I definitely know there's not enough of these tickets in that little group of paper that I got. I'm going to need more because that is adorable. I also picked up one of these little ladies, and I think she's a sticker, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just looking to see. This looks like a kind of true north type of thing, right? So I'm going to put that on here. And I figured out a way to get that on here, right? Actually, I think I'm going to tear this as well. Just like that. We got some great washi tape on here, which I probably should have used before I put that down, but that's okay. I'm only going to use a bit of it. And I say it's washi, it's not really, it is sticker paper. So there is sticker there. Just like that. And I just turned this over on itself so that I could continue working because it was sticky there. So isn't that coming out super cute? All right. I got two of these little guys. These are little stickers here. And of course, oh, that came out rather nicely and easily. I thought it would be much harder. We've got another one here. This is how I thought it would be. And yes, I do have tweezers that I got, and I should be using them, but I'm not. I'm going to put this one. All that, and I could have just, I'm going to leave that. There we go. And now, I'm going to take this little lady, and I want to put her on here. But she's too tall, so I got to kind of move her around. And is she a sticker? Let's see. She is. She's see-through as well. I love this. This is so much fun. And again, I'm just flipping that over on itself so that I can cut it off in a little while. I really do like that. I am wanting to put some words on here, so I'm getting out my words. This does say Destiny on it, and I wanted to look. I saw some that were really like the very strong and durable would be good. Let's see, what else did I see in here? Things that stimulate one's imagination. I think that would be good, and I think that I want to use that. Why? Because this is my first one. So you see they just come out like that. And I'm not real sure. I think I'm going to cut these. I'm going to do things and then that stimulate. And I'll take these two words. One's imagination. Let's just see where this ends. Okay, we're good. I'm going to put it right over here because I still want the Pacific to be seen there. And I am definitely enjoying this. That is a great first piece. So I'm just going to take my trimmer here. I think what we'll do... just trim off all these little pieces here. And then we'll be done. So let me know, do you like this type of little medium here? This would make a great card too. You can take all of these and turn them in to fun little cards. Oh, I forgot my most favorite part. I did want to have that on there. Yes, I did. Okay. This was the whole piece. I wanted to get some concert tickets in there. There we go. Things that stimulate one's imagination. All right, beauties. I love it. Let me know if you do too. Let's go ahead and we will put this in as our first one. I'm going to set it right in here. And there we go. That's our first one. All right. I hope you like it. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.